1 Minute Slovak Lesson 7.
Ahoj, hello.
It's Mark and Lydia here, your Slovak teachers, bringing you 1 Minute Slovak from Coffee Break Languages. Each lesson of 1 Minute Slovak teaches you a few words and phrases in 60 seconds, or thereabouts. Last lesson, you learned to introduce yourself. In Lesson 7, you'll learn how to say it's nice to meet someone.
The clock is ticking.
So let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Can you remember how to say, my name is? Lydia, what would you say?
Volám sa Lydia.
Now, when you meet someone, it's only polite to say that it's nice to meet them. To say this in Slovak, you would say?
Teší ma.
Listen again slowly.
Teší ma.
Try it one more time.
Teší ma.
Good. So maybe your new Slovak-speaking friend could help you with your Slovak. Listen to this phrase.
Pomôžeš mi so slovenčinou?
It means, can you help me with my Slovak? And it's the perfect phrase to help you make lots of Slovak-speaking friends. Try saying the whole phrase after Lydia. She'll say it slowly.
Pomôžeš mi so slovenčinou?
Let's hear this at normal speed.
Pomôžeš mi so slovenčinou?
And try it one more time.
Pomôžeš mi so slovenčinou?
Time's up, and once again, I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned in this lesson will go down well with your Slovak-speaking friends and colleagues. Today's phrases have been quite tricky, so do try to listen to this episode one more time. That's all for today.
Ďakujem a dovidenia.
You have been listening to a production of the Copy Break Academy for the Radiolingua Network. Copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. Recording copyright 2017 Radiolingua Limited. All rights reserved.